Everyone, welcome to another video. This is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Well, today's video is going to be 3D gift bows made from the Snow and Cocoa collection. This video is a collaboration hosted by Evelyn Creativa and Creative Mommy. We have several crafty ladies in this collaboration who are Craftymamapanda, Soto Creates, Justcraftingoverhere, and Jerseycgirl E. Please visit each person as they will be, some of them will be doing some giveaways. So this is going to be a collaboration plus a giveaway. What I'm using is a silhouette SVG file, which I will link below, and I've already sewed around it with some gold thread, and so there's gold stitching there, and I'm just showing you how it's assembled. And I'm also going to link a die that's similar to this so you can use it as well. So I am using the Snow and Cocoa, and so the rules of this giveaway is to go to each of my videos in this collaboration. You must be a subscriber, you must like each video, and you must say enter me in each video in order to win the full bundle at the end of this collaboration, which is going to be every Sunday in July, and this is Christmas in July as well. So hopefully you guys will visit me and join in. I would appreciate it, and it's so much funner to have all of you join as well. And so yeah, what I'm using is just a pin. You can use something round to curl the edges of the bow. And you do have to wait for the glue to dry as you're doing it, and leave the pin intact so the bow could stay nice and chunky. And so I'm just using glue now. Another thing I want to mention is if you don't have a sewing machine, you can always use inks and just ink the edges of each piece of this SVG file, and it will create some dimension for you, just like the sewing does with this paper. A tip to remember when making these bows is when you're putting on the center of the bow, you're going to add some more glue, and that glue is going to activate the bottom portion of the piece on the bow. So as you can see here, the blue bow, it lifted, and so you see me just putting some pressure on it. And so what I recommend is just giving it some pressure as much as possible, and be sure that it's secure on there. And so yeah, that's one thing with hot glue, is that it will reactivate the dried glue portions that you use, and so especially with high temp. So I noticed that, so just FYI. So right here you see me using some foam squares, and I do add some glue just to be sure it's going to stick to the bow, and I adhere it to this is laminator sheet. I almost said acetate, so yeah, this is laminator sheet. And I'm going to use some sticker snowflakes here that was gifted to me in a rack by DB Love. I will link her below if you do not know who she is. And yeah, I love these snowflakes. I like to add stickers to the laminator sheets. It just you can add some sequins or some pom-poms, like miniature pom-poms. You can also add some miniature foam balls or some glitter to your packaging just to give it some character, and it usually looks really nice too. So now I'm just going to show you what is in the giveaway so far. This is week 3, and so far we have the glassine bags, we have the fishtail banners, and then we have the 3D bows, and hopefully you guys enjoyed everything. And my plan is to keep it in this box and decorate it as well if I don't do a 3D project. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to look at the other videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!